chicken souvlaki and tzatziki. I'm first gonna start by marinating my chicken. 1.5 teaspoons of lemon zest, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice, 1 garlic clove mince, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix this all together. You can even do this ahead of time if you want to and keep this in the fridge for a couple of days. And now we're gonna work on our chicken pieces. I like to use boneless, skinless pieces of chicken, and you just wanna cut these into cubes. I mean, how easy is this? Now let's make the tzatziki. Now, I know you can buy tzatziki at the store, but let me show you how quick and easy it is to make at home. We're gonna start off with 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna mince up 1 clove of garlic, 2 Persian cucumbers grated or finely chopped, 1/2 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. If you can't do dairy, I've actually used coconut yogurt, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped mint, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix this all up and let it sit in the fridge until you're ready to use it. So I'm gonna alternate between the vegetables and the chicken. Now, the key here is also to make sure that you're not squishing the chicken so that it gets really tight. This way it will cook more evenly. The last step is to just brush everything with some olive oil, and we're gonna season all these up, a little more salt and pepper. Just eyeball it, a couple of grinds of black pepper and a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to also do this on the other side too.
These can also be grilled inside on a grill pan or an indoor grill or even under the broiler. But I'm gonna do these out here for now. My grill is at about 450 degrees and we just wanna get some nice golden color on the underside and then we'll flip them over. These look and smell amazing. Got beautiful color on both sides. The chicken feels nice and firm. Let's pull these off and serve them up.
One of the reasons that I really love this recipe is because it's super flexible in terms of how I serve it, either on top of a salad. My kids really love this with pita or lavash, but it's always such a hit. Don't forget the tzatziki kind of makes everything come together really, really well. Now let's dig in. Oh, the chicken is nice and juicy. So delicious and so easy too.